Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys can hear me. We got the windows down. My boy Derek's in town, and we're gonna give him a feel, a taste of the Shelby GT350. I'm gonna roll up the windows real quick. Is this the loudest car you've been in?
No, actually, you wanna know what the loudest was? When I cut the exhaust off of the S650 with catless headers.
You think that was louder?
I gotta hear this at why.
Yeah, why?
It's probably a lot louder.
Yeah, why?
But it was pretty ridiculous. But this is definitely loud.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's definitely loud.
I was actually gonna put an exhaust on it, but like I just like the way it sounds at Y. Like driving around town, you know, like just doing like regular, like, you know, just talking and, you know, vlogging. Yeah, you know, I gotta kind of talk loud, but I just love the way it sounds at Y, man. I'm just warming up the car, you know, getting it up to operating temp. Yeah, getting it up to operating temp. Then we'll do some hits. Hopefully, you know, my little spot is dead in Mexico. If you know, you know. We'll do like a little. What do you want to do? A third gear or a second gear hit first?
We gotta do both. First, let's warm up into it. Fucking full send. Second and the third, slap third and the fourth, fourth and the fifth, and then fifth and the sixth.
I'm going to fifth gear. I'm going to fifth gear.
We gotta hit 200 today.
200 today.
Imagine. Yeah,
actually, I don't think I even can. I don't think I can. I'm in the gears.
Yeah, it definitely takes a lot. That's fucking loud. Oh my god.
It's not. I haven't even taken over 3K yet, bro.
Yeah, that's true.
It's gonna get crazy.
Because that's how to properly warm it up, right? Don't go.
Yeah, don't go over 3K. Yeah.
It's good to know. That's probably how a lot of these Gen 1s blown up from people.
Yeah, people just get in them and they just start beating on it.
Rag on them. And, yeah, I can see that happening.
Warm them up. Wintertime it takes a while because the oil cooler and whatnot.
Right.
I drive around for like maybe 10-15 minutes before I do a hit. It's like 180 right now, so we're good to go.
Dude, my head is rattling.
Hey,
straight rattling.
Hey man, you haven't even
dumped like right here.
No, it's actually dumped
towards the back.
It's towards the back. It actually was quieter one because I had it dumped after the headers, believe it or not. And I think it was quieter. But putting the X pipe and then dumping after the X pipe, because it's literally just long tube headers, X pipe, and dumps.
Yeah, okay.
It's wicked.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, we'll do windows down. We ain't dragging it, so we'll get the full experience. We'll turn off traction control, y'all.
Are you smacking it now?
No, not yet. If there's no space up here, I gotta pop a UE. We'll do it on the way back.
Is she all warmed up?
Yeah, 185. Yeah, she good. I might not be able to do. I might not even have space to actually bring it out all the way.
Facts.
Damn it.
Yeah. It's about that time too.
Yeah.
It's 5 o'clock.
Oh, that clock's wrong.
You smack it here?
No.
Never right here?
No, not here.
Dude, every road
sometimes
like so straight.
Yeah, they're weird. Like something like buses come out of here, stuff like that. So I have like a little spot right up here. I have another spot, but we can't do that now because it's during the day and like there's way too many cars. But that's where I actually like do like real hits.
Right.
And I have like a third spot where I do hits that isn't too bad.
Have you dragged this yet? 60 to 130?
Yeah, I have. Yeah. It's in the 5. I don't go like specific numbers because too many people out here drag you race, but it's like it's in the 5s.
But you hit 5s, huh?
Yeah.
That's good. Oh yeah.
Have you dragged the S650?
I haven't dragged shit.
Oh,
I need
dude,
to.
You'll love it.
I have one, I just never do it.
Alright. Like get ready. We have like limited space, but we'll do like a 50.
The dumps now. Oh, that sounds ridiculous. Hey, I think that's my first boosted 350 on E85 I've ridden in. I'm pretty sure. That's felt really good. This thing gets down, bro. It rips.
Yeah, we'll do a 60. There's like another spot I want to do.
Yeah, that thing rips. That felt really good. Did you rev it? Were you revving all the way out?
No.
I was about to say. I think it has a lot more in there too. Dude, that is ridiculous. Damn. Oh, I would be doing loops on loops and loops right here, dude. Oh, this would be good, but... heard a Mustang sound that good though. I think that most certainly takes the cake.
Yeah,
that's
it's
the
loud.
best. This is the best sounding car I've ever been in, Mustang wise. That fucker eats. Hooks up pretty well too.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
That last hit it spun a little bit, but
yeah, it got a little squirrely. Was that's traction off though?
Yes.
That's not bad, man. For real. That's the beauty of the 5.2 lower torque and that blower all the way up top.
Yeah.
That 650, I can't stop. I can't help but that could spin third gear, dude.
Yeah.
60 hits. All right. Go for some more pulls.
All right, so we're back at the casa. We just did some pulls, and tomorrow we are gonna be heading up to Mustang, but we are gonna be a little bit late because I do have to bring the Shelby GT350 to the shop because I ain't gonna lie, it hurt me when I popped my hood. I checked the bolt because we have it paint marked. The bolt did move. Now it's not actually hanging out. I will go ahead and elaborate that on the next video, but we are gonna go ahead and get that bolt back in place. I'm praying that it can just be put back in place. I do have extra bolts, but again, it's just gonna be a whole hassle. I'm just trying to get that thing back in place so we're ready to go for the weekend because we definitely have some activities planned. I wanted the car to be ready for Mustang week. Technically, I mean, it isn't, but hopefully we'll be good to go tomorrow. And after Mustang week, the ProCharger kit, without a doubt in my mind, it's coming off the car, and we are gonna be, you know, preparing for the ESS setup on this vehicle.